It's okay. Now be careful. This is really icy, so be careful on the pavement. Uh-huh.
Look at my gun! Look how pretty it is, Snow Angel! Look at my gun! Take a picture of my gun!
Okay.
I'm glittering! Oh my god, it's full of snow. Oh my god.
You can empty it out.
Because it's not sunny.
No.
Let's make a snowball! Yeah, let's have a snowball fight. Except David can shoot us, but we can't shoot David, okay?
Okay.
Okay, David. Here's what you do.
Squirrel print?
Yeah. Cool cat.
Uh-oh. Come here. Come here. You just brush it off. You just brush it off. You just tell me when you're ready to go in, David. Are you all done? Annabelle. Okay, not in the face, guys, okay?
I put one in my face by myself.
David, it's too icy to ride your school.
I just emptied my glove. Oh, sorry. Now you got it.
Hello, Tricycle Man. Okay, maybe something other than snowball fight.
I want to show you.
Yeah, you guys can make a snowman.
That's a little dangerous one. Hey, Mommy, I want to make a snowman.
Okay.
Make a snowman.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, let's make a snowman.
It's,
Get lost of snow.
yeah, do him right there in the. If you do him right there in the shade, he'll last longer.
Yeah. Thank you, David. We're doing the big ball first, right? Oh, cool! Some big balls just...
If you guys go get one of the buckets, then you can fill it up and come back and dump it on the snowman.
Mommy, look at the gun! Look at my gloves! Look at the car! Look at that car! Let's get snow over there so we can help Mommy clean! Like that. No, I want to help Mommy clean. Whoa!
Yeah, that would be a good piece. Just grab that whole chunk and put it on the
Whoa! Where's the snowman? Oh. No, step on the snowman! No. Ah! I almost slipped. Mommy, can you help?
Nope.
Let's round him out a bit.
You can make a pretty big one today.
Yeah.
You might not have this much snow again for 10 years.
I know. And I've only been alive 10 years. I know, I've only been alive 7 years. 7 years. Oh, good. Ouch. Oh. He just threw snow on the deck.
You can't pull your shirt down so it covers the skin. I don't like all that the skin sticking out.
Mommy, there's snow kind of soaking in my shoes.
Mhm.
I don't care. Still fun. Allie, she ran up. She had this umbrella, and it had tons of snow on top of it. Like maybe that much.
Mhm.
And guess what?
What?
She accidentally bumped it, and all of the snow landed on her back.
Ooh. Okay, Michael, not with the gun.